Hi everyone. I wanted to talk a little bit about viruses today. I always talk about vector-borne infections and of course those are important, but equally important is to talk about other types of infections like viruses that can serve as a major trigger for mast cell activation syndrome. We are all infected with viruses, often from a very young age. And there's a category of viruses called the herpes virus that can, after being infected with it, can go into hiding, become dormant, but can reactivate at any time later on in life. In the category of herpes viruses is Epstein-Barr, CMV or cytomegalovirus, herpes virus 6, the regular herpes viruses, others, HSV, herpes simplex 1 and 2. Chickenpox is a herpes virus as well. And so we know that these viruses, again, they infect you, they go dormant, but things like COVID, certain stressors in your life can reactivate these infections. And when they become reactivated, they can cause a significant immune dysregulation, obviously activate mast cells, and can cause chronic fatigue, MCAS, and many other symptoms. And they can often go hand in hand with vector-borne infections as well, and even mold. There are lots of things that sort of coexist and drive symptoms. And the important points are just to really try to identify. When I test for patients, and I talk about testing for Lyme and other vector-borne infections, but I also test for viruses because they can impede the treatment for the other infections, or they may be the driver of patients' symptoms, and sometimes we need to address them with natural antivirals. Sometimes we're just working on the immune system, and that can help, and sometimes we need medications and pharmaceutical antivirals to calm down the virus, to lower the load, to help relieve the body and the symptoms. Anyway, the bottom line is that viruses can trigger a flare of mast cell activation syndrome like any infection can. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.